Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the display section, and then to the eye comfort. And here you just tap turn on now. You can also change color intensity here, and you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up a custom time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.